Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm bringing you another cleaning video. This time I'll be cleaning my bedroom and the bathroom. I start off in the bathroom. I clear off everything off the countertops so I can have everything out my way. I'm not gonna lie, my bathroom's really narrow and small, so it was a little bit difficult filming. Once all the countertop is cleared, I spray the sink with Clorox and add some toilet bowl cleaner to the toilet. And I spray down the bathtub with some more Clorox. And I wait a few minutes before the scrubbing. I'm going to show you real quick what I have in my cleaning basket that I clean the whole apartment with, except for 2 items, which is the Mrs. Meyer's cleaners. I just bought them today, so I don't know how they work, but I see it in a lot of YouTube's channel cleaning videos, so I just wanted to try that out. I actually want to try this mainly for the kitchen, so I'll let you guys know how it worked out. So I also got this one as well, lemon scented. So anyways, I got this basket at the dollar store. I thought it was perfect just to carry one thing. I got some magic erasers. I got some Clorox toilet cleaner. I got some bathroom cleaner. I use this and I really don't like it. I'm just gonna keep using it until until it finishes, because I don't like wasting stuff. I have toilet paper bags. I have a little bit of gloves. I actually have my gloves in the other guest room, and I have Clorox. I love Clorox. And I just have some, wipes and some Windex. Well, it's not Windex, it's like the cheaper version. It's Windex, cheaper version, but it still works as good. I'm sweating. I decided to use my Mrs. Meyer's on the countertops, and so far I like it, and I like the scent. I believe this one is lemon. I don't have a shower head that I can detach from the wall and spray everything down, so I use this bucket to fill up with water and just wash all the bleach off. Once the bathroom is all clean and scrubbed down, I put everything back. Just to let you guys know, the next video will be my room tour, so all the items you see here will be listed in that video. Normally clean the mirrors before I add everything back on the countertops, but I forgot, so that is why I'm doing that now. Once I'm done with the bathroom, I start working on the bedroom. Remember I told you guys about my dying plants? Well, this is one of them. So that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you guys next time.